Hello everyone, my name is Alifa Khairunnisa and my student ID number is 10250081. Today I'm going to present two topics for my English project. The topics are hardware and inside the computer. Let's start with the first topic. Basically, hardware is the physical part of a computer. It means everything that you can see, touch, and feel. Hardware cannot work by itself, it needs software to run. We can divide hardware into two groups, external hardware and internal hardware. First, we have input devices. These are external hardware that we use to type or give instruction to the computer. For example, we use a keyboard to type text and we use a mouse to click buttons on the screen. Next, after the computer processes the data, it shows the result using output devices. For example, the monitor displays the image and text so we can see it. We also have a printer to print our assignments on paper and speakers to play music or hear sound from videos. Let's move to the second topic, which is inside the computer. If you open the computer case or the CPU box, you will see many electronic components. This is the main part where all the processing and thinking happens. Let's look at the components one by one. The first component is the motherboard. You can think of the motherboard as a big CD with many rods. It is many circuit board inside the computer. Its job is very simple but important. It connects all the other parts like CPU, RAM, and hard drive. The second component is the CPU. We usually call the CPU the brain of the computer. Why? Because the CPU controls everything. Every time you click the mouse, play a game, or open an application, the CPU is the one that processes the command and makes it happen. Next, we have RAM. RAM is the temporary memory of the computer. When you open many applications at the same time, RAM holds that data so your computer can run fast and smooth. To save your files permanently, we need storage devices like HDD or SSD. This is where you save your photos, videos, games, and operating system. Today, SSD is very popular because it is much faster than the old HDD. The last part is the power supply unit. This component gives electricity and energy to all the part inside the computer. Without the PSU, the computer cannot turn on. In conclusion, hardware and internal parts are like the body and organs. They must work together. That is all from me. Thank you so much for your attention.